ACO HexDrain B125 is the ideal drainage channel for driveways and small private car parks. Manufactured from recycled plastic and suitable for vehicle traffic up to low-class B125, it comes complete with a corrosion-resistant black composite hill guard grating. Let's learn a little more from Katie in the ACO Academy.
Thanks. The features and benefits of HexDrain B125 include CE marked and fully certified to load class B125. Anti-shunt prevents grating movement once installed. Heel guard grating with 8mm slots. ACO drain lock grating. This barless locking device allows quick and simple installation of gratings. Male and female channel connections clip together for quick and easy installation. Vertical knockout for connection to PVC U-pipe or sump via outlet connectors. Cutting guides to create half-metre channels. Environmentally friendly product, manufactured from recycled polypropylene and 100% recyclable. Applications include driveways, small private car parks.
I'm a big fan of the drain lock system and its barless locking device, allowing for simple and quick installation of the gratings.
Find out more at aco.co.uk.